Hello, this is Ron Vargo down here at Peterbilt of Atlanta in Jackson, Georgia. Today's truck is a 2025 Peterbilt 579 Epic. 80-inch double bunk, 450 horsepower Cummins X15, 242-inch wheelbase, has a 13,200 pound steer axle, 40,000 pound air track rear suspension, and it also has the heavy wall differential housing, 308 gears, 12-speed automated, low pro 22.5s with polished aluminum Peterbilt wheels. It has your collision mitigation, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, sun visor, your A-pillar visors. Let's see what's under the hood. There is our X15 Cummins. It is a multi-torque engine. Let's take a look inside. We have a prestige interior. Cloth Sears seating. XM compatible radio with Bluetooth. Here is our 80-inch double bunk. It also has an 1800 watt inverter with shore power. Place for your microwave with some outlets. Sleeper controls. More storage cabinets. And here we have a refrigerator. Flat screen TV mount. Pre-wired for your CB radio. We have 5 of these units available for immediate delivery. If you're interested in one, give me a call, 706-372-4698. Or if you want to spec your truck to what your needs are, we can do that too. Give me a call. Thank you.